What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, here with another day, man. We're ending the day today, man. A beautiful day. God has blessed us with the strength and able to work today and be able to do what we need to do to supply our customers, man. But you know, as the time goes by, we got young racers coming up, man. We, of course, you know what I'm saying, I'm an older gen, I'm 43 years old. We got young one coming up. Y'all already know my son, Audio Fox, is always doing his thing. But we got my youngest son coming up at the board. His name is Christian. I'm a pap. He is going to be having a race. He already got one race in his belt. He can have a second one, but now it's a little bit different because he gets to go up against a Charger, not a little four-cylinder Lexus or nothing like that. He's going up against a Hemi Charger from one of his boys. He got a light-skinned dude here. What's your name today, man? Mustafa. He got his chest out. Look at him, boy. What's your name, man? Mustafa. Mustafa, what's your name? What is it? Oh, that's out, dude. Hold on, they playing over here. What's your name? Yafet. So this is your car. How long you've owned your car? 2 years. 2 years? 1 year. 1 year. Are you ready for this race? You betting on you? I'm gonna tell you right now, you're a mopar. You know I'm a mopar guy too, so hopefully y'all get this done, man. We're gonna go ahead and get you guys out of Mexico and see what happens here. So it could be this Dodge going against my son's BMW. It's gonna be a pretty interesting race, man, because again, you know I'm a mopar lover, but the mopar gonna go against the Dodge. I'm sorry, against the BMW. We're gonna see what happens. Like, we leave the shop here today at AUDIOZONE. We're gonna drive out to Mexico with these two. Hey, damn! He ain't playing around. Look at that. Woo! That Mopar RT is ready to go, man. What happens here as Chris gets his first race, so let's go. So you ready up in the BMW 650 drop top? You're about to have your call out from one of your friends at school, right? And he said he want to run you. He said he could Gappa-bees you. That's what he said, right? So we're about to find out, man. I'm getting them all into a sport mode. What I'm doing on these cars, you have a sport mode, which helps the transmission shift at a higher RPM. And then over here, if you look at the dash, I press and hold this button for a couple seconds, and he'll turn on that yellow one. So that means he'll be ready to go. So we're gonna head quick and get this race. Mom might kill me, you know what I'm saying? Because, but like I tell her, man, we come from a racing family. All we do is race and installs and to work on cars, but we are a racing family, so we definitely race a lot. And you know, the apples don't fall far from the tree. So this tree has definitely thrown a lot of apples, and he's definitely going to be involved in it. So he's got his little car. It's not a full-blown race car, just a BMW, man. But, you know what I'm saying, for his experience, he has a little bet on his race that he's going to be doing here. And, you know, truthfully, I wish him the luck. He got a permit, so I got to be with him. But I wish him all the luck in the world, man. Hopefully he gets to have this race and gets to do this, man. So let's stay tuned if we see this race coming up. What about this race, Josh? Man, get it. Who going to win? Hopefully him. Hopefully Christian. You got Christian going, but you got this over here. We hoping Christian wins, man. So let's see what happens here, man. We got the... What was that, Josh? What? Hopefully he has the driver out. We're about to find out, y'all. So we got over there in the building, we got Zay. We got Turbo over there driving the silver one from Beethoven. And then we got my guy Cameron over there. So we're about to sit on Cameron right there. And then we're gonna see what happens here if we get this race going on, y'all. We got the race master himself, Turbo TV, over here. Yes, sir. He gonna do the flagging. So how's the flagging gonna happen?
Point and you, 22. When I point to flash the lights when you ready. Chris already know. When I go, I'm gonna come up. When I go down, go.
So we got a lot of cars coming through Mexico, as y'all can see, man. But he about to give us the instructions to get this going, y'all. So stay tuned. All right, so the moment has came of truth. All right, man. So this is the way it's gonna work. He's gonna flash you. You're gonna blink your headlights saying you're ready. He can do the same thing here. The top of the yellow line is gonna be the end of the race.
The top, the sign.
The sign up there. The sign way up there, look. That yellow sign right there is gonna be the end of the race. So we ready? Gas and brake, 1500 RPM. Go. He got your top end. He beats this. Keep on. Guess I stopped. Also, the race happened, and he did take out the BMW. There's no doubt about it whatsoever. He had better top end. Chris got him off the light, but he got the top end. So we're gonna go back and do a little interview and talk to the guys and get this situated. So that race is now over. We're gonna do the bet is a win. So let him get next to you. Let him get next to you. Hold on. Stay right there, papi. Let me get. So you got the race, brother. You won. There's nothing to talk about. Mopar, no car. Let's just go for another one for a roll. Let's roll up to 40 and then we'll go. You already won the first race. This is just for fun. Get up to 40. Get up. Get next to him. Ready? 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 1, 2, 3. He's there. He's coming up little by little. Yep, it's a wrap, y'all. But on that one, he didn't get the good hit, but he did with it. Park over there on the left-hand side. Let's go talk. Over here now to win this bet, man. He won the bet. Let's go ahead and grab this. Come on, come on, come on. Y'all got to come out on the video. Video. What's wrong with y'all? So, a race is a race, brother. So at this point in time, he needs to pay up. Great race, man. Good job, man. He paying his dues. And it's a wrap, man. What you want to tell the camera? Huh?
It's a butt whipping.
It was a good one. It was a good race. You saw that at top end, huh? You saw the top end just going. It was a wrap, man. Congratulations on that win, man. You did a great job. You got it going. You want to play with the Audi just for fun?
Yeah.
All right. So now it could be the Audi. Zay, pull out your Audi.
Oh, here this one gonna make noises and shit. Hey, move that. Move.
He gonna run Zay for fun. He gonna run Zay for fun.
He rode.
Huh?
He rode.
On the launch?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Look at your video.
Uh-oh.
You rode.
What?
You rode.
On the back?
I beat him out on the road.
Yeah, but the race is a race, man. You know, either way, when he was going and still in top end, Chris was next to him, and I'll pause and come back to the video. But get over there, because you can run that Audi real quick.
Whenever it's around.
Go back to the middle there, and then go ahead and run this Audi.
We're going to give you a car.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
You can stay right there, because y'all can launch. I'm gonna let him give you a car off the light.
Don't move.
So right now we got about two.
Go.
That's it. Stop. That's the car. That's the car right there. That's the bumper, back tire. So I'm gonna show y'all how this is gonna work out. It goes this one. Chris, come over here. Get over here, Chris. Chris, get over here, Chris. All right, but look, you can see like a whole car and a half distance between these two cars. That's Zay over there, man, if you don't know who he is. Zay was out on that one there. So we got another race right now. We got Mr. Cam. What's your IG, brother?
My IG is Cruising with Cam.
In fact, y'all gonna see him on the Instagram, on my YouTube with the Mustang Fox body. This is the one we bought the Fox body from.
Yes,
so you could be seeing the video of the building. He could be on the bottom of it because he's the one that got the car from my dad, man.
You know what? It's in great hands now.
Oh, I'll tell you right now, wait till you see it done. I know you're gonna agree with that 100%, y'all.
Yes,
it's definitely gonna be a good thing. But now Cam's gonna run with the Genesis and run the Charger over there. Let's just see what happens. So over here on Street Outlaws DFW, we have the Hemi, which is a 1-for-1 right now. And he's going to go against the Genesis. All right, lining him up. All right. All right, cool. Here goes this race because they get ready to launch. Y'all ready? Get ready, y'all ready? That mopar doing his thing. It got 2 out of 1 races. That's pretty cool shit right there, y'all. But you know what I'm saying? That's all fun and game. Now, I wonder what Adolfo do with the Charger. Adolfo! Line it up! Let's see what happens. Stay tuned. To somebody, man. This man here owns a ZR1. What year is your ZR1?
2010.
And it's done by Hennessy. He has a Hennessy ZR1. We've been trying to lock up a race in him for a long time between the ZR1 and my AUDIOZONE. We've never been able to do it. He raced reel to reel on one of the videos. If you watch Real channel, you'll see it. But we're trying to set one up, man. I know he doesn't get too good hook off the light. I told him we'll do a roll. Let's just do it for fun and game. I know Kevin for a long time. In fact, Kevin, Tell everybody on camera how the Lord saved his homosexuality.
They did what?
Play with you, Kevin. Kevin's been a customer for a long time. He has a beautiful ZR1. Y'all will see this race one day soon, man. We're going to go have fun. If I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. It doesn't matter. He's great people, local in Irving. We've been friends for a long time. He's with us here in Mexico. He just got here. And I'm surprised you're working out of town like this, man. You're working very far away.
Easy money.
Easy money. Well, you got to get double pay when you get out of town, right? So it is what it is, y'all. But one day you're going to be seeing the ZR1 versus the AUDIOZONE, man. Stay tuned. All right, man. So now I got a question for you. You had another race with the Hyundai because you want to get the Audi. How you feel about the Audi?
No, the Audi's fast.
The Audi fast as hell. What do you think about the Genesis?
Genesis is alright.
You gave him Jackfabperformance, man. Yeah. Brother, congratulations, man. Again, he's doing good, man. You know what I'm saying? He had a fun time, man. We got low-class yachts leaving up in the building. You want to run it for fun? We got the Lally up in the building here, man. As you can see, going to Gex, the Charger. This is going to be we just fun and game, man. We just having fun here, man. Over here in Mexico. You came far away to race this race, huh? Like 8 hours from home, right? Mexico far. But man, we're about to see this happen here. Could be a 3-ray race. Can you record this so I can launch everybody?
They run into that.
Okay, y'all ready? And the Charger for the win. For the win, man. So he's had a great victory night, man. You know what? He's a young guy having fun, enjoying himself. He has done the win. I ended the video a minute ago, but I'm going to end it again. I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support, man. Y'all, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys always for the support that y'all give us, man. Truthfully, we're so grateful for y'all support, man, that y'all giving on this channel. Y'all be good. God bless, man. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And always stay positive and stay focused, man. Put God first. Everything else come out good. Peace.